A story becomes real when scenes come to life. This is where you stop thinking in paragraphs and start thinking in moments. Each part of the story is broken into specific scenes. Not everything at once, one moment at a time. You decide where the character is, what exactly is happening, what the audience should feel in that moment. That clarity changes everything because now, when you generate visuals, you're not guessing, you're directing. Instead of random images, you start creating connected sequence. One scene leads to the next and the story begins to move forward visually. This is what transforms a written idea into something that can actually be built into a video, transforming imagination into a visual reality. Up to this point, we have built the foundation. We have a clear story. We have a defined character. Now we start covering that into our actual visuals. This is where you break the story into scenes, not randomly, but moment by moment. Each scene is designed with clarity. You decide what exactly is happening, what the character is doing, what the audience should feel. Every scene needs three things to work properly: purpose, why this moment exists; mood, the emotional tone; visual direction, how it should appear. When these are defined, you are no longer generating random images. You are building a sequence where each scene connects and moves the story forward. Now we are in phase 3, scene creation. This is where the story starts breaking into clear visual parts, not as one long idea, but as individual scenes that build the full narrative. Each scene carries a specific moment. It's not just a visual, it represents a step in the journey. When you place scenes in order, they start forming a complete flow. This is where the audience starts to feel something because now they're not just hearing the story, they are seeing it unfold. Expressions, environment, and actions in each scene all contribute to that emotional connection. Once your scenes are clearly defined, AI becomes a tool to execute that vision. It takes your direction and converts it into visuals that match each moment. When these three work together, your story doesn't stay abstract anymore. It becomes structured, visual, and engaging. Now let's look at how a scene actually gets created. Scene, prompt, image, composition. This is the exact workflow we follow for every scene. Scene. We start with clarity. Each scene is defined with a purpose. What is happening, where it's happening, and what the character is feeling. Without this, everything that follows becomes inconsistent. Prompt. Once the scene is clear, we translate it into a detailed prompt. This includes environment, lighting, character appearance, mood, and camera perspective. The quality of the step directly controls the quality of the output. Image. Then AI generates the visual. This is where the scene becomes visible. But it only works well if the prompt is precise and structured. Otherwise, results become unpredictable. Composition. Finally, we refine the output, adjust framing, ensure character consistency, and align visuals with the story flow. This step ensures the scene fits perfectly with the previous and next scenes. When you follow this workflow, each scene becomes intentional, consistent, and ready for animation. Now let's see how this actually comes together in a real scene. Applying the scene workflow. We start with a clear situation. Arjun is in modern office space, clean, minimal, but emotionally empty. There is no energy around him, no sense of direction. This visual reinforces how lost he feels at this point in the story. Character plus environment alignment. Notice how the character and environment work together. On one side, we have Arjun, slightly tense, uncertain. On the other, a wide open space that almost feels isolating. This construct is intentional. It visually communicates emotion without needing dialogue. Why this matters? A scene is not just an image. It's a combination of where the character is, how they feel, and what the audience should sense. When these align, the scene becomes meaningful instead of random. Every scene should clearly answer what is happening, what is the character feeling, why does this moment matter. This is how we move from just generating visuals to actually telling a story. Now we take the same scene and evolve it. Here, you can see two versions of Arjun in the same environment. On the left, he feels uncertain, slightly lost, still searching. On the right, he is more confident, more grounded, more in control. This is not just a visual change, this is character progression shown through the scene itself. Scenes are not isolated images, they are part of a journey. Even within the same location, small changes in expressions, posture, and presence can show growth without needing words. The environment stays consistent, same office, same setting, but the character evolves. This balance is important. Consistency keeps the story believable. Variation shows progress and emotion. A powerful scene does two things at once. It maintains visual continuity while clearly showing what has changed. This is how scenes move the story forward, visually, not just narratively. Now, this is where everything starts to come together. We begin with a simple, clear description: a cinematic space, soft lighting, two characters sharing an emotional moment. This is not just a prompt, it's direction. When the prompt is structured properly, AI understands not just what to generate, but how it should feel. Notice the result. The lighting is warm. The interaction feels natural. The body language communicates support and connection. None of this is random. The hand on the shoulder, the eye contact, the subtle expressions. These are the elements that turn a visual into a moment. This is where storytelling becomes visible. You are no longer just generating images, you are directing emotion, composition, and interaction between characters. The better your input, the more cinematic your output becomes. This is the point where AI stops being a tool and starts behaving like a creative partner. Before you generate any scene, this is the control point. This is where you decide whether your output is usable or random.